For our game, we're doing a math game with an addition world and a multiplication world, and I am doing the addition world for my individual project. So there's 4 levels, and the first level is just adding whole numbers, and then the second level will be adding whole numbers and a fraction, and then the third level will be adding just fractions. And we're still working on whether or not we want to include the fourth level because it's a little bit unnecessarily long of a project. So this is the first level. When you press the green flag, the Finch will say, all right, let's get started. And then some numbers will pop up, and 3 and 7. So 3 objects come up, and then 7 objects, and then the Finch asks, how many circles are there? Super simple. So let's say they say the wrong answer. Let's say 6. Oh, that's not quite right. And then every time they say the wrong answer, the Finch will say something different. And then when they say the right answer, it'll move to, it'll show what the total is and add the points, and we're still working on the points right now. And then it'll switch to the next level, and the Finch will ask if they want to move on or try again. If they say, no, I want to try again, it'll start over. I'm going to stop this because we're going to go to the next level. For the next level, we're going to stop this here and start it over. The Finch will ask about some numbers again, and a whole number and a fraction will come up, and it'll draw the whole number, and then it'll draw a piece of just the fraction, and we want to add the whole numbers and the fraction together. And the Finch will ask the question and say, okay, well, to add the whole numbers, we need to get them into equal size pieces, because when we add numbers, when we add fractions, they have to be in equal size pieces by making a common denominator. So we'll have to slice the whole numbers into, let's say the person guesses 5. Well, that's not right, because the common denominator of the fraction 1/7 and 2/1 is going to be, well, 7. So that's the correct answer. So when we say the correct answer, this little fraction converter comes up, and it'll put all the whole numbers in and then show how many pieces. It splits everything up into the whole pieces, shows how many slices there are, and then asks to move on to the next level. And then if they say no, that they don't want to move on, then we can try it again. And if they do, then it'll move on to the next level. And right now we're still in the process of programming the next level. So there's our project so far.